Parents whose child faces school bullying. What would you do? My husband and I have an 11-year-old daughter facing brutal bullying at school. It began with name-calling, but recently it's gotten worse. Some kids found out she's adopted, a part of her story we've always celebrated. But now they're saying things like, "Your birth mom didn't want you," and calling her unwanted. Her birth mom loved her so much, she gave her life for her. But if you think it ended there, it didn't. A few days ago, she came home in tears. They'd cut off 2 inches of her ponytail during class, mocking her the whole time. They follow her in the halls daily, taunting her. We've contacted the school multiple times, emails, calls, in-person meetings, only to get empty promises that they'll look into it. But my daughter's mental health is suffering. She's anxious, can't sleep, and begs us not to send her to school. Out of sheer frustration, we reached out to a lawyer about legal action. Suddenly, the school says they're moving the bully and had a talk with her. The bully's parents even promised to step in. But honestly, I don't believe them. You'd think they'd finally protect my daughter, right? My family says to give them a chance, but I feel it's all for show. Am I right for still wanting legal action?